Once upon a time, in the year 2019, a new and mysterious virus emerged in the city of Wuhan, China. This virus, later named the coronavirus or Covid-19, would go on to change the course of history. At first, people didn't pay much attention to it. They thought it was just like any other flu-like illness. But as days turned into weeks, the virus spread rapidly, infecting thousands of people and causing severe respiratory symptoms. It became clear that this was no ordinary virus. News of the virus reached every corner of the globe, and governments and health organizations started taking action to control its spread. Travel restrictions were imposed, borders were closed, and people were advised to stay at home and practice social distancing. The world went into a state of lockdown. The virus was highly contagious, and it didn't discriminate. People of all ages and backgrounds were at risk. Hospitals and healthcare systems were overwhelmed with patients, and doctors and nurses worked tirelessly to save lives. The world held its breath as the number of cases and deaths continued to rise. In the face of this global crisis, scientists and researchers worked relentlessly to understand the virus and find a solution. Testing became widespread, and vaccines were developed in record time. The world united in a race against time to protect lives and bring an end to the pandemic. As months passed, the situation gradually improved. With the help of vaccines, the number of new cases started to decline, and the world cautiously began to reopen. People embraced a new normal that included wearing masks, practicing good hygiene, and adapting to remote work and online learning. However, the impact of the virus was far-reaching. Economies suffered, businesses closed, and millions of people lost their jobs. The virus had not only attacked human health but also the very fabric of society. But amidst the hardships and losses, the pandemic also brought out the best in humanity. Communities came together to support one another, frontline workers were hailed as heroes, and acts of kindness and solidarity emerged. The world realized the importance of unity and resilience in the face of adversity. As time went on, the virus gradually became less of a threat, thanks to the efforts of scientists, healthcare workers, and the collective determination of the global community. Lessons were learned and preparations were made to ensure that the world would be better equipped to handle future challenges. And so, the story of the coronavirus came to a close. It left an indelible mark on history, reminding humanity of its vulnerabilities and strengths. But it also served as a reminder of the power of science, compassion, and unity in overcoming even the most daunting of obstacles.